Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kami akan membentangkan tajuk tentang Network Planning and Design with RIP version 2. Course BRS 122 Network Switching and Routing. Ahli kami terdiri pada Nur Fatihah binti Musa, saya Lisa Masaila binti Syarizan dan Imanina Syasha binti Muhammad Jamil. Lecturer kami TS Nazri bin Muhammad. The computer network is designed for FTCAT using Cisco Packet Tracer, covering 3 sections: lecturers office, data communication lab, and administration office. VLSM efficient IP address allocation based on the number of hosts required. RIP version 2, a dynamic routing protocol for communication between subnets. Connectivity testing, ping test to verify the functionality of the design network. Methodology: analysis, calculate VLSM, subnet and network requirement. Topology design, build the network in Cisco Packet Tracer. Configuration, assign IPs and RIP version 2 on device, and testing, check connectivity using ping command. The process begins with analyzing network requirement, followed by building the topology, configuring device, and verify through ping test between subnet. Ini adalah network topology design. Network components. Pertama, 3 router Cisco 2811 connects the 3 subnet through RIP version 2. Yang kedua, 3 switch Cisco 2960 as admin, switch datacom, and switch lecturer. Yang ketiga, 9 PC and 3 PC for each subnet for ping testing. 4 straight through cable for PC to switch, DCE cable for router to router connection.
Seterusnya, saya Nur Fatihah binti Musa akan menerangkan tentang subnet calculation breakdown VLSM. Each subnet is carefully designed using VLSM to maximize IP address utilization based on specific host requirements. First, lecturer office. Host required is 120. Requires 120 hosts, so subnet is using /25, providing 128 IP addresses. Is used to accommodate this number efficiently. Second, data communications lab. Host required is 50. For 50 hosts, subnet is using /26, providing 64 IP addresses. Is the most suitable choice, reducing waste. Third, administration office. Host required is 13. With 13 hosts, subnet is using /28, providing 16 IP addresses. Is the smallest size is that can still accommodate all devices. Next, router link S000. Host required is 2. A point-to-point link between routers only required 2 hosts, so subnet is using /30. Providing 4 IP addresses is ideal. Last, router link S001. Host required is 2. As with the first router link, subnet is using /30. Is used for this point-to-point connection for maximum efficiency. Next, subnet calculation. For lecturer office, required host is 120. That network address is 192.168.8.0. That broadcast address is 192.168.8.127. Subnet mask 255.255.255.128. Usable host range for lecturer office from 192.168.8.1 until 192.168.8.126. For this slide, I will explain the IP addressing table for the network device. This table shows IP address, subnet mask, default gateway assigned to various network device. For the router, each interface assigns a different IP address to connect different networks. For example, the router lecturer used the G00 interface, IP address 192.168.8.1 with subnet mask 255.255.255.128. Another interface S001 DCE. DCE is data communication equipment, the device that provides the clock signal to synchronize data transmission over a serial connection between router. IP address 192.168.8.213 with subnet mask 255.255.255.252. Next, switch use VLAN 1 as their management interface. Each switch, such as Datacom, admin and lecturer, has its own IP address to be allocated efficiently, according to the needs of each department. There are 3 groups of PCs: lecturer, Datacom, and admin. Each PC is assigned a unique IP address to ensure proper communication and to avoid IP address conflicts. For the lecturer PCs, the IP addresses range from 192.168.8.2 to 192.168.8.4 using the default gateway 192.168.8.1. For the Datacom PC, the IP addresses range from 192.168.8.130 to 192.168.8.132, which 192.168.8.129 configured as their default gateway. Last, the admin PC use IP addresses from 192.168.8.194 to 192.168.8.196 and 192.168.8.193 is set as their default gateway. The subnet masks are configured according to the requirements of each subnet, allowing efficient IP address allocation and proper network segmentation. Overall, this IP addressing scheme ensures that all PCs can communicate within their respective network and access other networks through their designated default gateways. Router and switch configuration. Router configuration RIPv2 using command routerib version 2 and enter the directly connected network. Then last, enter no auto summary. Each router is configured with a hostname, password, IP address on interface G00 and S00X and RIPv2 to automatically share network information. For switch configuration, using command hostname, enter the name switch, interface VLAN 1, next enter IP address with subnet mask, last enter not shutdown. Each switch is assigned a hostname IP address on VLAN 1, console VTY password, and a MOTD banner for the BERL 1222 assignment.
Saya Iman Natasha akan membentangkan tentang RIP version 2 implementation. RIP version 2 stand for Routing Information Protocol version 2. Is a dynamic routing protocol that allows router to share network information automatically without static configuration. Version 2 set the use of RIP version 2 to support VLSM and CIDR CIDR. Network specifies directly connected network to be advertised to neighboring routers. No auto summary. Prevent automatic last full summarization to preserve accurate VLSM subnet. Seterusnya adalah ping test result. Setelah assignment telah disiapkan, ping within the same subnet, admin 1 ke admin 2 sukses, Datacom 1 ke Datacom 2 sukses, lecturer 1 ke lecturer 2 sukses. Ping between different subnet, admin 1 ke Datacom 1 sukses, admin 1 ke Datacom 2 sukses, admin 1 ke lecturer 1 sukses. All ping tests within subnet and between subnet were successful, confirming that the VLSM and RIPv2 configuration is working correctly. Dan akhir sekali adalah conclusion. This project successfully designed and configured the FTCAC network with 3 subnets using VLSM and RIP version 2 in Cisco Packet Tracer. VLSM successful, IP addresses were allocated efficiently according to each department's need. RIPv2 working, communication between subnets was achieved without static routing. Valid network or ping tests within and between subnets were successful. Sekian, terima kasih.